Hello, I'm Cyril Matthew, and this is the first database lab experiment. In this, we have to create furniture company database, and the schema provided is this. We have 5 table: customer, order, order line, product, suppliers, and these are the attributes to be inserted inside the table. Moving on to the questions. The first question is to create the table customer with primary key constraints. The syntax for that is create table, table name, and then the attributes along with the data type. Here customer ID is the attribute and number is the data type, customer name the attribute, and varchar2 is the data type, and so on. And des customer is used to describe the customer. So this is the customer table that we have created, and we are supposed to add primary key constraint. So we added primary key constraint to customer ID, and to do so we have the syntax is alter table, table name, add primary key to the attribute we have to add. So here now primary key has been added to customer ID. The second question is to create all the other tables, and here we have created all the other tables: table order, order line, product, suppliers. Third question is to add foreign key to customer ID attribute, and the syntax for that is alter table, table name, add foreign key, the attribute to which we have to add reference customer and the customer ID. The table has been altered. The next question is to modify the attribute product finish in the product table to product material. To do so, the syntax is alter table, the product name, rename the column name, that is product finish, to the new name, that is product material. So here the name product finish has been renamed to product material. The next question, add an attribute called price in the order line. To add, we have the syntax is alter table, the table name, and then add the attribute and its data type. So here in the order line table, price has been added. Next question is to rename order line to order quantity. So to do so, the syntax is rename order line to order quantity. Here the table name order line has been changed to order quantity. The next question is to add supplier address column to supplier table. So syntax for that is alter table supplier, the table name, then the attribute that we have to add along with its data type. So in the table suppliers, supplier attribute has been added. The next question is to describe all the tables. To do so, the syntax is DESC and then the table name. So here all the tables have been described. The next question is to add primary key constraint to all table. So to do so, the syntax is alter table, the table name, add primary key to the attribute to which we have to add. So here primary key has been added to order ID, as we can see, and then in this it has been added to product ID, and so on. The next question is to modify the data type of rating to decimal. Do so, alter table, the table name, and modify the name of the attribute, and to the data type we have to alter it to, that is decimal. So here the rating has been altered, and here we can see it has been made decimal. The next question is to add a not null constraint to customer name and address. To do so, the syntax is alter table, table name, modify the attribute name, its data type, then constraint, and we have to give a unique constraint name and then not null. Similarly, we have to do for the address, and here we can see both the customer name and address has been made not null. The next question is to remove the unique key constraint to remove that. The syntax is alter table, the table name, drop constraint, the constraint name. So by doing so, the constraint on this customer address has been dropped. The next question is to drop the column supplier address in supplier table. The syntax is alter table, table name, then drop the column name, that is supplier address. So here we can see the supplier attribute has been dropped. Next question is to drop the table order. To do so, drop table and then table name. The last question is to truncate the tables, and to do so, truncate table, table name. That's it. Thank you.